freezes for a moment as she flits and flitters by. She glows like an ornament, transmitting luminous light. My winter garden came alive. I was illumined by your light. I saw it only black and white, but you brought color to my sight. She tells of joy and sorrow as she hums her lullaby. It resonates within you, and you feel it in your sight. You partake of her splendor and are transported instantly by a flower's fragrant nectar to a world that's yet unseen. You brought color to my sight. Just like a crimson angel, she is painted by the mind, in hues only imagination can apprehend and bring to life. The reverberation of her wings reveals an aspect of infinity. Beneath their movement you see still garden came alive when I was illumined by your light. My world was black and white, but you brought color to my sight. Time freezes for